I'm Wally Olson from Claremore, Oklahoma, and I'm here to teach you about the value of the intrinsic cow value. And where you use this is if you're going to buy a cow and whether she's of value. And in this case, right now I'm buying cows in the drought in Texas for $2,900. These are young bred cows. And so you work through the cull cow value is $2,000. The calf that they would raise right now would be $2,500, so that's $4,500 of income. You take it times 0.95 because not all of them are going to come back to the pen, and so that comes to $4,275. We made a mistake at 50, but that's neither here nor there. The cost to cattle to carry it is $600, so comes down to this cow is worth $3,650 in its intrinsic value. We can buy them for $2,900, so they're a very good value. And they're even a better value is because these cows are young, and then you come to value to me. We can rebreed these cows and probably get $4,000 out of them. So that makes them a really good value. So that's where having the knowledge how to do this is important, and you need to go to Ranching for Profit School and ranching.fyi school.